Hey, welcome everyone. This is another interview with one of our awesome subscribers. And today I'm having Phillip Lee. Hey, Phillip, how are you doing?
I'm doing mighty fine. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. I have been so excited to talk to you. And I know you have been super excited about BotTronic and everything that we're doing. But first and foremost, tell us a little bit more about yourself and where you're from.
All right. Well, my name is Phillip Lee. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a manager over a candy warehouse right now. And yeah, I know it's Mars and Snickers and Reese's. Just a lot of candy. Ready for Halloween.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and I've been heavily into passive opportunities a lot, basically for this past year. And and oh my gosh, and it's been a whirlwind, but I know I found the diamond right here.
Yeah, it's been definitely a journey to find something that is going to offer you something realistic, right? So tell me, did you have experience with Forex trading before you even came to BotTronic?
I dabbled in it. I dabbled in it a little bit in around about 2018, and it's not for me. It's you have to have a lot of patience when you're trading Forex.
Yeah, so this is a pretty awesome that you can just hook it up and just walk away and go to the beach or do whatever you want to do.
Oh God, yes.
So how long have you been with us right now?
Right now, I started on the 18th of July, so I'm still pretty new.
Okay, so you have not yet a full month in the trading yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, and how is it going for you? Can you tell us a little bit more about the subscription that you have, and what do you feel about how that's going?
Oh man, mine is going very well. I started on the 18th. Right now, I'm around about 15% ROI, and I'm just astonished just off of that. I'm amazed because I was looking at just the targets that BotTronic had, and if it was 10%, I was sold. Just the fact that I had control of my own funds, and I can sleep well. I don't have to worry about my funds being in Timbuktu when I wake up in the morning. And it's just a third of what was promised could have been okay with me, and I still would have signed up.
Yeah, and you are with BotTronic, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, awesome. So when you got started with us, and I know that you are pretty active with us in the Telegram as well. How did you find setting it up? How did you experience that?
The setup was actually pretty easy, but one thing I will say is to definitely follow the instructions to the T, because you can click one thing off and it throws the whole thing, and then it throws the whole BotTronic off. I love it's simple, it's straightforward. Just do this, and do this, and it's straightforward.
Yeah,
like, and it's pretty easy.
Good thing it's just a one-time thing, and then you can rest assured that everything is going well. So which broker did you choose when you got started? Because we have a few choices, and which one did you go with, and how do you like them?
I went with Hugo. They're very, very user friendly. Everything is right in your face. It's not. I didn't even have to go through support. It was like it's straightforward. You don't have to look for anything. You create your account, you fund your account, you do an internal transfer. Everything is just simple with Hugo. Like I highly recommend them.
Yeah, I like Hugo a lot too. I like that, but it's a good user interfaces where it's like clean and clear, and you can just click, and it's done. So to me, Hugo is definitely a preferred as well. But of course, we have more choices. So if you think about it, and from what you have seen so far, and you can start with BotTronic starting at $1,000. But what do you feel is a really good investment range? Where do you feel where is that sweet spot where you're really enjoying the profit that it gives you?
I say between 5 and about 20. And I know it's kind of it may seem a little steep for some people, but if you can get around between that at least 5 in there, you can really enjoy your profits, not have to worry much about your subscription price, because you're going to get that pretty fast. Yeah, you will. But I say at least 5, at least between 5 and 20,000, and you really actually can, really enjoying your funds, start enjoying your funds, and not have to worry.
So that brings me a little bit to the profit strategy, because that's a big thing, like knowing when to take profit. So how do you go about that? Do you have a strategy, or are you just kind of seeing how things are going, or are you really set in your ways and take profit on certain times?
Well, I know it's going to seem long how I say this, but how I do it, my wife is kind of new to Forex and trading and this crypto world and everything. So with the funds that we've lost doing other things, when I joined this, I basically have wanting to prove to her that this is something solid. So what I do is every week, I take half of my profits and I give them to her. I give half of my profits to her, and I leave the other half profits, and I leave the rest into compound. And I do that every week. And and it's crazy. In doing that, she's seen that, okay, wow, this thing is really working,
Yeah, and that's something that I always try to emphasize to people, like, this is, in the end of the day, this is trading. So it's all nice and dandy that you have your funds in a broker, and yes, it compounds. But at one point in time, you do need to start enjoying your profit as well. So I'm very set in my ways. When I go in every Friday when the market closes, and I withdraw 50% of whatever profit that is that week. If it's $100 or $1,000 or $5,000, doesn't matter. Half of it I'm taking out, and the rest I leave it in, because I do want that growth. I do want to compound that a little bit higher up. But I also want to enjoy my winnings, and then kind of diversify, because that's the whole thing. So if you had to, knowing what you know now, and I know that you haven't been with us a full month yet, but knowing what you know now, and if you had to rate us on a scale of 1 to 10, what would that be at this moment for you?
Definitely a 15. Oh my gosh. The support is, just in the Telegram, the support is amazing. Everybody's actually willing to help. I've been in groups where you're almost scared to ask a question, because you want to sound like like you're slow, but everybody makes you feel comfortable. Jeff, you, Danny, it's a few others. Everybody makes me feel comfortable. So if I have to ask a question like this, it's no such thing as a dumb question. That's how I look at it. No. Definitely not in the crypto world. So crypto or Forex world, either way. Yes, and I would say a 15 out of 10. It's without a shred of a doubt.
So how do you feel we stand out then? Is it the support that makes it stand out, or is it something else?
It's the support, and also they were the first thing I noticed when I actually joined the Telegram. They were big on transparency. Yeah. They spoke more on transparency than they spoke on the profits and everything. I noticed they're more focused on that and reassuring us subscribers that we don't have to worry about our funds being stolen, and all of us have experienced it. We've been in, I don't want to name the names, but I know at least 3 or 4 of them that I've been in. I know you've probably been in also. Yeah. And just to know that this is nothing like that, and it's real trading, like literally real trading. And since I've traded Forex before, it's I'm okay with the losses. If I see a loss, some people it bothers. It doesn't bother me at all. I can look at my trades every day, and it doesn't. I can keep going and go play tennis or something. It don't bother me at all. And just seeing the loss, because I know eventually, that's why I actually look at it monthly. Even though I withdraw weekly, I look at what was accomplished over a month period, at least a month. Yeah.
And that's what I keep saying too, because it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's you in control of your money. We don't have your money. We don't control your money. But Forex trading is something that you have to, it's a long-term play. Unless you have like $100,000 laying around, then it's going to go pretty fast what you're going to earn with it. But for most people, it's a long-term play. And I love it, that the fact that I can see everything, that I'm in control, I can withdraw whenever I want and all of that. So knowing what you know now, after everything that you have gone through with businesses that were not that ethical, what is the best advice that you could give someone?
I would say join this ASAP as soon as possible. See me, I don't like the word, so I just like to set things and just go. Right now I'm a father of one. I want 4 more kids. There's
Oh
no
wow.
way I won't.
Wow.
Yeah,
You're busy.
I want 4 more kids, so I can't. There's no way I can't stress over my account. I can't be stressing over my account and trying to raise my kids at the same time. And some people try to do that and they pulling their hair out and got gray hair. I can't do that. Like this is a service and it's set up for people like me and anybody else that's watching this video that wants something that they don't have to just constantly, you don't have to stare at the screen all day. Like if you're trading Forex and you're good at it, you're probably staring at the screen a huge part of the day. I don't have time for that.
No, me neither.
I don't have time for that, and many people don't. But at the same time, you want something that works. And, and this works. And I can see this for many years to come, and I'm just excited to be here. I really am.
And that's the kind of the goal, and this is exactly why BotTronic is here today, because we were just sick and tired of dealing with like not legitimate platforms and things that were not that up to par. So we want something that's long-term, and we want something that's stable. And that also brings me to the referral plan and affiliate program on the subscription. Are you someone who is actively referring, or are you still getting into that?
Oh yeah, I've already started.
Yeah.
Already started, yes.
So you are comfortable with telling your friends and your network about it and should come check it out?
Oh yeah. I've always been the bigger risk taker when it came to just any opportunity. So most of my friends, they need to see things for go for a while. Like everybody I've told, they're more like, okay, let me know how it goes after a month, or let me know, or at least a month or 2 months. I've heard some say, and they'll be on board. So I'm a lot of people I have on pending right now, and that's okay. I understand that,
And that's fine, because the thing with this is we're not going anywhere anyway. So
exactly.
even if they take like 6 months, okay, that's fine. See you in 6 months. That's also good.
Exactly.
So, I mean, the referral plan is designed to have people to compensate our fans basically for referring us. It's not something super elaborate, but if you are active with it, then definitely you can build an additional income on that as well. So do you have certain financial goals set for yourself, like in a year from now, this is what I want to have reached, or is there anything like that you have in your mind?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I do. Some people have more. They have a goal so far out that I ain't gonna say it's unrealistic, but I kind of set smaller goals first, because maybe maybe to kind of build me up on the inside. But my first smaller goal is to achieve at least twice my monthly expenses on a 10% month.
Yeah.
Not on when they actually hit the target, or 25% or 30 or above. If we can hit a 10% month and that clears double my monthly expenses, that's my first goal.
Yeah, and that's a really good strategy. Even if you had set 5%, then that's very conservative in this market.
Exactly.
But if someone keeps that in mind, like, okay, if I get 12 months, every month, 10% of what I am investing, what would that mean for my family, for my, for your life? For like, is that an extra vacation? Is that a mortgage payment? Is that rent? Is that a car payment? It could be so many things. I think that for us, the goal mostly is to make it accessible, because it's Forex and also crypto, by the way, just the same. It really people can grasp it, right? So, and we really are on a way to show people, hey, you can do this. Just follow along and learn about it, because it's not that hard if you don't have to do it yourself, and it's all automated. So
Exactly.
if someone is watching you and you know that we are all about, if you are referring and then you are kind of a mentor to people, what would you like to say to them? What is something that you would like to tell people? Like, why should they join to your link? Why should they join you?
Okay. Well, with me, you should join. Period. Honestly, definitely my link would be also good. You should join because this is honestly, I kind of see it as a community already. I mean, even though we're all individual investors, everybody wants to help everybody succeed. I've been seeing it all through the Telegram, and everybody attached to me. If I can help in any type of way, I will help. I've always been like that. It's because it's just people coming into the Forex, coming into markets. Period. A lot of people are already skeptical, but they're skeptical. But at the same time, I can deal with skeptical as long as you're willing. If you're skeptical but willing, I'm okay, because I can help you.
Yeah.
You want to progress yourself, and that's something that a lot of people around me are like that. Like, they're kind of skeptical, but at the same time they want something. And if you want something, this is perfect. I can't even explain. I try to explain it to my wife, and it's like my words just get jumbled up. I like, baby, like, we actually found something. Like, we found something solid, and I'm excited. And like, I know I'm only 2 weeks in right now. You probably see I'm at a 10 right now. You probably see me at 1,000 like a month ago from now.
We should do an interview in a few months from now, see how you are then, and then bring your wife to the interview.
I will. I definitely will. Oh my gosh, I will. Yes.
That's so awesome. Well, Phil, thank you so much for coming and joining me here today in this interview. I think it helps a lot for people to see what's going on behind the screens and how our subscribers are feeling. And if you're watching this and are still on the fence, create a free account. And because making the account itself is free, make the account and come join us. Come, observe us in the Telegram group, join our YouTubes, whatever it is that you want to do to feel comfortable. And we're here for you if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
We are on a mission to redefine and simplify bot trading in the Forex markets. This means we are taking automated copy bot trading to the next level. Plan like a human, trade like a machine. Quick, precise, and free from emotional influence. Are you tired of staring at the screen, waiting for the right opportunity to land in your lap? Then let me show you how we can make a difference. Registered and verified. Partnered with official brokers. 100% transparency on trades. BotTronic is on a mission to build a worldwide community and make copy trading accessible to a wide range of people through our subscription service. Let me explain how it all works. You are in total control at all times through an official Forex broker. We don't manage your money. You only pay us a fee to use our service to trade automatically with our experienced team of traders. Setting up and getting started with BotTronic is simple. We've got you. We like to keep things simple, so we have developed various subscriptions for you to choose from. No nonsense and straightforward. All budgets are covered. So, about our affiliate program. Do you have a network? Referring to people is simple. You can earn a monthly passive income from every subscriber you introduce to the platform, and for as long as your subscriber stays with us, you get paid. The program is based on 3 levels of referrals. You can definitely build a legacy income with us. Are you ready to trade like an expert? Then create your account today. This is how. Contact the person who introduced you to BotTronic and ask for the referral link. Create your account and follow the comprehensive manuals we have available in the dashboard. We are redefining bot trading and want to help you redefine your financial abundance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to welcome you to BotTronic.